So this is my worst video ever. This is the first video I'm creating when it comes to this channel. It's going to be awkward along the way for both you and me, but I think after a couple of videos I will get used to it and maybe manage to do something right. This is day one of a journey that I've planned for a while now. I've been working as a web developer, running my own business as a web developer for the last 16 years, and my dream has always been to create and release my own software. And here we are right now. So I'm starting this journey because I want to document what works and what doesn't work, and I want a sense of accountability. I want to be able to feel like I'm letting you guys down if I don't publish videos on this. If things go against me, it becomes some sort of effect where I have to strive for greatness and do better things in order to actually step up the game and do something that works instead. Also, I have been watching other people do this and I am inspired by them. I get a dopamine hit from it and I love watching it, and it's inspired me to actually go ahead and do it myself, because documenting or journaling or doing something like this, I'm sure that it will have a positive effect on the future outcome of my app. So what I'm building is called the Agency Toolkit. It's a toolkit for agencies using high level. I want to make life easier for agencies using high level, and I want them to make more money. Right now, what the Agency Toolkit does is that it will create websites inside sub-accounts. So you can either create new sub-accounts or you can use existing ones. So a scenario would be like you have a client that you know need a new website. You can, within minutes and a few clicks, send them previews on websites. Full-blown websites. We're talking one homepage and 10 subpages with their content in it, because you are feeding the AI with their information and the AI creates content for you. So you select a few templates and you hit create, and then within a few minutes you will have links to send them. Then you can just call them up and say, hey, which one do you like the best? Should we go with that one? You may have to do some tweaks according to the company, but you will save 90% of the time that it takes for you to create a website in high level. That is what it does right now. Now, the journey will contain my thoughts about how to use this as a selling tool, but also developing new features that will make the life easier for agencies using AI. Hopefully someday in the near future we'll have agents that do some stuff I won't reveal too much at this moment, but I do have some good plans. And I really hope that you can tag along on the journey, because I want to share with you the struggles, the successes, the wins, the journey, like the growth and the process, and what works and what doesn't work, demos, what I'm testing that like eventually you can test as well for your own thing. I want to show you how I'm growing the user base, etc., etc. So if you want to follow on this journey, just subscribe and I'm sure you will get something nice out of it. I will see you in the next episode.